What's up, Watershed? This is Justin. I'm here with Ever. We're down at New Braunfels.
And the audio quality was a complete disaster due to the plasma cutters in the background. Thank you for Justin and Ever to record this. They were excited to tell you about this big project we're taking on at Papa's. It's a 10-day project to install a brand new STI conveyor. The previous conveyor at Papa's was giving us troubles every single day, almost every single car. It was absolutely brutal, and they could not be more excited to install this new conveyor. I'm excited that we had an opportunity to film this whole process. I can't wait for you to check it out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks, guys.
What's up, Watershed? Ever here at the old Papa's Car Wash. We are at NB3 here, finally open. I'm here with Arthur, the site manager. It's been a 10-day process for us to get back and open again, but we are so excited to be washing cars again. Cars are coming out good, and yeah, like I said, it's been a long process, but we are super excited to be washing cars. The process before was, we were barely able to wash one car at a time. This morning already, we've already loaded up the track without any hiccups at all. So it's extremely exciting.
Absolutely. I mean, it was at a point there, we were washing only one car at a time going through, and it's just not necessarily the product we're up.
One car at a time?
One car at a time, Dan. Can you believe that? And I'm just excited to be able to get back open, give a better value for our dollar to our customers who are coming through and have their memberships with us. This is definitely a lot more in line with the product we're used to putting out. And it was a huge process, really needed it. I'm really excited we were able to get it done. But definitely just a huge install to the install team. Huge thank you to Ever. Ever was here, even Justin was out here getting it done with us. Same with Dan. We couldn't do it without our cinematographer here. But no, the whole team band together. And to me, it was just beautiful to see this community spirit, everyone band together, get it done. It takes a village sometimes, and I think we really got it done for sure.
For sure. We can't stress that enough. From ownership, putting in the money that it took to do this, the time, right? We were shut down for 10 days. That's a huge hit there, right? The install team, it was unbelievable to see these guys rip everything out. It took us about a day to rip the old conveyor out and put the new one in. It was an amazing process to see, Willie come out here. A huge thanks to him. Yeah. The whole install crew, we got Phil, Dominic, got Kevin, got to meet Kevin from OKC for the first time. These guys were absolute killers, and I can't stress that enough, how much of the work they put in. So,
no, absolutely.
Arthur, your team did an absolutely amazing job out here.
Thank you, I appreciate it. I think, I was really impressed with the team coming in here too. you know, we had all the grates pulled off, all the drains, everything hasn't been touched in years, all uncovered, and these guys were getting in here shovels and getting it done. They didn't complain about it. They just hustled through and got it done. It was amazing to see. Same thing with getting to watch Vince take care of some of that stuff. I mean, it's amazing to watch that guy work. I don't know if you'll ever seen him work, but he can figure that stuff out so fast, and I don't even understand what he's doing half the time, you know? It's great to get to learn from him, for sure.
As you can see behind us, the fruits of our install team's labor here. Papa's is able to run more than one car at a time, so thank you for that. We were able to get a new belt, a couple new brushes, redo some stuff in the back room, some plumbing, all in a matter of about 10 days. So huge testament to our install crew, Dominic, Kevin, Philip, rock stars there. They stayed late every day. Oh, well, Nick too, but you know, that's just given. We're really happy with how it turned out, considering this is, between Nick and myself, this is our 4th ever STI. First one on a pit that's not perfectly designed for an STI conveyor. And you know, our guy Philip, this is his first one ever and he did great. Dominic and Kevin, that's their second one. So for being relatively inexperienced as far as installing STI conveyors go, I think knocked it out of the park. Everything fit in perfectly.
Yeah, I want to thank Ever's team and the team at New Braunfels for really helping us out, cleaning up after us, just being that extra hand. It helps so much, and we really appreciate you guys.
Hezekiah and Kyle stayed until, we left at like 11:30 last night, and they stayed another probably hour and a half, power washing the tunnel, getting it ready to open today. So it's cool to see the site employees that, with all they had to deal with here, their attitudes were still great. Arthur and Ever, you know, kept their mindsets right. It's really cool to see. I can't say that I would probably be that enthused to be here after the nightmare they were dealing with before.
We are super excited to see what NB3 you know, has for the future for us. So we're going to get out here, start selling some memberships. We actually got a product that we can be proud of and be able to sell. So we are extremely excited to see what we have in store for us for the future.
Absolutely. We got a beautiful new site and we got a new start ahead of us, and I'm nothing but excited.
Thanks, guys.
John, it's perfect.
All right, do it.
See you in the field.